everybody, how you doing out there? Hope everything is well. So today, as you can see, that's plastered on your screen, I finally got Model Ones. You know, I got a little kit here, you know what I'm saying. I already opened this and, you know, plucked around in it, and that's why it looks like this right here, but it's all good. But you do get some dual forms. I don't know if I'm gonna use these, but they're nice to have. I might, knowing my goofy tail, I'll go find me another plastic can and use these as fake nails. But I don't know. Or I could just try them out on my guinea pig, my sister. But these are the colors that you get. You get light apricot. You get a nude, pure white, soft pink, a temperature changing color. Ooh, camera shaking. A light pink, and you also get top and base coat. You also get your slip solution. I've seen videos where people use alcohol, and I saw in one video, it was on Modelones video, that you can use an alcohol. You can use alcohol as long as it's 71% and higher, because it will not move if it's lower. And I'm not even gonna play with that. But you get little rhinestones, and they come with some glitter. You also get a brush and a picker, but a spatula. I watched a lot of kung fu movies growing up, so and you also get a brush. This is a nice brush too, compared to my other brushes I have. Oh my gosh, probably because I'm so rough. And I didn't have a spatula to get my this polygel off, because I just open this sucker up and go. So I think the bristles are like on the side. Well, actually they are. They throwing up gang signs. So that's exactly what they're doing. Which, I like that. I like this. I'm actually more excited about this brush. That's sad. Well, I want to try this out and see what it's all about. And I paid like $44 and some change. Let me tell you, that's the most money I ever spent on something like this. Because I am cheap, honey. I mean cheap. That's why I go to AliExpress. But I went to Amazon this time. And I've seen other YouTubers, review this product. And I'm just hoping that it is really good. So in my next video, I'm going to just forget crawling. I'm just going to start walking and try to sculpt the nail. And we're going to see what that turns out. It's probably going to be a hot mess, but you know what? I shouldn't put that out in the atmosphere. But I think I'm right. And I'm okay with that. And another thing I got was foil. I just had to throw that in there. I got this off Amazon too, but I just want y'all to see how pretty these dang old colors are. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine a whole nail like this, girls and boys, if you're watching? Or just people. Let me just say that, be politically correct. Oh gosh, it's so beautiful. Anyways, well, I guess this was a little unboxing. And hopefully in my next video, I'll be doing some. You know what? I should swatch these out. Let me get my stuff. Hold on. I'm gonna do this with the box open, so as you can see, I'm gonna pour a little here. I think that's all I need. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Look, you get a foul. Yay. And you can wash it too and sanitize it with your barbicide that you can get off Amazon as well. Yay. Make sure y'all got some barbicide if you're going to be doing somebody else's nails. Girl, I get the Clorox, you get the Clorox, the Ajax, the whatever. Not Ajax, but get that 91% alcohol and get you some barbicide, clean that crap. Girl, I be in there scrubbing my tools. I'm not getting an infection, and neither is my sister. And who else lets me practice on them? Alright, so I'm going to get a slab of this. What is this one? Good old soft pink. Let me, waka. Waka. Alright. What I do with my brush? See, I stay losing. Oh, the thing right here. Special. Tell you. And then the thing gets on there and it's so stuck. Alright. I'm gonna. Y'all, I done lost the dish. That is right here. You know what? Let me take all this stuff out. Oh. Clumsy product review. That's what this is. I'm going to take all this out. And then, oh, I might just be real excited. And that's why, oh, look, it's magnetized. Now, yeah, I'm just real sleepy. But I still wanted to make this video for you guys. I got off of work and up here trying to do this right here. But I really wanted to do this. Alright, that's enough. I'm going to come back. Well, I'm going to do this, and then I'll come back with my opinions. so I cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds, and they're hard. You just gotta wipe off that tacky layer and you're good to go. Or you can probably just get away with slapping some top gel on it. But my thoughts about this is, well, one, it's easy to come out the bottle. It's like melted annihilators and Jello mixed together in a bowl. And that's what this feels like. And I appreciate that, because I've seen some videos where people are like struggling, like the freaking forearms are flexing. Like, I'm like, why are your forearms flexing that hard? Dang, that is way too tough to get. I don't want nothing where I gotta be flexing to get it out the bottle. That's too much going on. But this is great for those who aren't comfortable with acrylic or what's the other one? Gel, or may not like dip powders. You know, this stuff, you can just take it out, sit it on the nail, and it sits there and it doesn't dry out. I appreciate that part a lot. I really don't think I have any more to say about this, but the colors are nice. I think my next video I'm going to do a nail or two or all. I just need to get a lot more comfortable with this, and I think I'll be on my way. So if you guys want to get into polygel, hey, Amazon, AliExpress, the way to go. And to those who are doing polygel right now, using your Yogi or whatever, any type of polygel, I need some advice. I really do. I have nothing else. So thanks for watching this. I feel like it was kind of an unorthodox video, but thanks for watching.